Here we go. This is 22 Legacy PYT 41. Guess the last auto for 20 credit. We should have 2 autos per box on average. Get those guesses in. 16 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. Again, we should have 2 autos per box on average, plus 2 mini cards per box on average. Per box. I think we have one more Legacy break on Thursday this week. Our last break of the night is going to be our Classics H2 coming up next. This is Legacy PYT 41. Terry McLaurin, John Watson, we got Fields, we got Eli, and our rookies. We got Haskins, Shakur. We got Adam Thielen to 199. That's going to the Vikings. Decades of Dominance, that's Terry Bradshaw. This is our next pack. Check for those minis. Then we got Cameron Jordan, Portland Sutton, DK Metcalf, James Robinson, Ricky Williams, Drake Jackson, George Pickens, For the Ages, Sean Alexander. Super one. There we go. Yeah. And that one, we got Kyler Murray, Matt Judon, CeeDee Lamb, TJ Watt, Ed Reed, and rookies Andrew Booth Jr., Drake London, and a silver Optichrome of James Cook. Next pack. Ooh, we got a thick one here. It could be an RPA. That is Michael Pittman Jr., AJ Brown, Derek Carr, Michael Vick, Trey McBride, Sam Howell, Time Machine Dan Marino. First auto of the break, there's Sam Howell. It's an RPA. That is going to go to the Cowboys. That is Jalen Tolbert. That is out of 249. 87 out of 249 on the Jalen Tolbert. One of the Cowboys. Tip for the Cowboys. Back. Any in that one? There's DJ Moore. Taysom Hill. Michael Parsons. Barry Sanders. Tolbert. Trayvon. And our mini is going to be Pierre Strong Jr. for the Patriots. That is 41 out of 50. Rookie Pierre Strong Jr. going to the Patriots spot. And we have the Andre Rison out of 299, 191 out of 299. Generations of Derrick Henry, Eddie George for Tennessee. Up next is going to be our Classics H2. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto of this break. You do not have to be in the break to guess Joey Bosa, Josh Allen, Damian Harris. We have Mike Singletary, John Mechie, Ahmad Sauce Gardner, Chris Carter on the Time Machine. Should have one more mini card, one more auto left in this box. There's Cordero Patterson, Devonta Smith, Aaron Jones, Tua Tagovailoa. We have Aronde Barber, Christian Watson, Breece Hall rookies, and generations of Aaron Rodgers, Brett Favre. Next pack. Robert Quinn for the Bears. We have Kenny Golladay for the Giants. DeAndre Swift. Debo. Tim Kelly. Quan Brisker. Jahan Dotson. Under the lights, Optichrome Brian Robinson Jr. Travis Kelce. Matt Ryan. Kirk Cousins. We got Steve Atwater. Bailey Zappi. George Karafalatis. We got Zach Wilson out of 299. 23 out of 299 for the Jets. Ben Roethlisberger Time Machine. And we should have one more auto, one more mini card. There's Joe Mixon, Jalen Hurts, Chase Young, Bo Jackson, Trent McDuffie. There's a Kenny Pickett rookie for Pittsburgh. Ooh, there's a Destiny insert of Justin Fields. Love the looks of these cards. Nice one for the Bears. Fields Destiny. Let's get some of these top loaded here. We'll get Timeless Talents of Stephon Diggs for the Bills. Well, 42 is breaking on Thursday. This is 41. But you're saying you were on the list for Washington in this one? If you bought for 42, your teams will be in 42. If you bought into 41, your teams will be in 41. PY 42 will be Thursday. Top loaded. We'll get halfway through it. Here's our next pack. Cracked ice coming up. There's Darren Waller for the Raiders. Darnell Mooney, Saquon Barkley, Javonte Williams, Luke Kuechly for the Panthers, Willis Jones Jr. for the Bears, Wan'Dale Robinson, and a yellow cracked ice Alec Pierce for the Colts. That is out of 25, 8 out of 25 to the Colts spot. There's Trey Lance for the 49ers, Tyreek Hill, James Conner, Xavier Howard, Brett Favre, Packers legend, David Bell, and Jeremy Ruckert. Decades of Dominance, John Elway. Jamar Chase, Trevor Lawrence, Antonio Gibbs. We have Keyshawn Johnson, Kenneth Walker III, Jackson Hill, and we got a Legends. The 50-11 out of 50, Steve Atwater for Denver. For the ages, Jamar Chase. Last 3 packs are coming up. There's our other mini coming up. Josh Jacobs, David Montgomery, Daniel Jones, Nick Mangold on the Legends. Then we have Garrett Wilson, Tyquan Thornton. Last 2 packs. Look, everybody got their guesses in on the auto. There's Jerry Jeudy, Tyler Lockett, Patrick Mahomes. We have Eddie George, Carson Strong, Derek Stingley Jr., and our last auto was Evan Neal on the silver. Oh, I got a mini still on the desk. That was the Evan Neal silver rookie. That is our guess. Timeless Talents here of George Kittle. For mini, George Karafalatis for the Chiefs. As an orange mini, that is going to be out of 125, 24 out of 125. Mini there. Tom Brady on the time machine. DeAndre Hopkins for the Cardinals. Jalen Waddle for the Dolphins. Russell Wilson for the Broncos. Darius Leonard for the Colts. Legends Amon Green for the Packers. And we got Damian Pierce rookie. Pierre Strong Jr. rookie. And an Optichrome rookie of Alec Pierce. Evan Neal was the guess of the break. Up next is our Classics H2. Let's do our recap here and we'll move on to that one. We got our Steve Atwater 11 out of 50. Alec Pierce Optichrome rookie. The orange Optichrome rookie 24 out of 125. Evan Neal silver Optichrome auto was our last auto in the guess. Rookie yellow cracked ice Alec Pierce out of 25, 8 out of 25. Adam Thielen out of 199. James Cook silver Optichrome 299. Legends Andre Rison under the lights. We had Zach Wilson out of 299. Kenny Pickett rookie. The Destiny inserted Justin Fields for the Bears. We had the red Pierre Strong Jr. Mini, 41 out of 50. And then we had the rookie patch auto, Jalen Tolbert for the Cowboys out of 249. That does it for Legacy Football PYT number 41. Up next is our 22 Classics H2 PYT 24. You guys are going to guess the player on the last numbered parallel in that break. Good luck to everybody in this one. A couple spots left. Let me double check and see if they have sold.